Hello students, just want to show you a few things from the library that will help you with this assignment. If you go to the portal and click on the library quick link, you'll come to this page and then click on research guides. And the librarians have put together guides for various programs. I want you to use the MBA guide. And with the MBA guide, there are databases and journals that MBA students and of course business undergrad students would utilize. And so if you click on that, these are all common business databases that we use. For this assignment, you could start with Academic Search Premier. And we want to limit our search to peer-reviewed journals. And I would also limit it to full-text articles to save some time. You want to find articles that were published within the last 5 years. So I put my publication dates in there to narrow the search. And then let's say I want to learn more about too big to fail banking policy. Let's just do a search on that and see what comes up. And lo and behold, there are 949 articles. Here looks like a great one, and I know that it's peer-reviewed. I can click on the article and it gives me some basic information. Before I read the entire article, I can read the abstract to make sure that it's a relevant article that I want to look at. And if I decide that I want to do that, I can look at the full text article. And voila, I would have everything that I need, and I can do my annotated bibliography from the article. Also, I've got some tools over here on the side, and if I click on this cite icon, it will give me APA citation for this particular article. Now, these aren't always perfect, and you might have to correct it or change it, but this will give you the basic information that you need for your APA reference. So I hope this helps, and just a refresher on how to use the library to find peer-reviewed articles.